Splash out, Unraveling English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms. We'll explore the phrase, splash out, a phrase you might have heard in movies, songs, or even in everyday conversation. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone curious about idioms, this video is for you. So, let's splash into our topic. Splash out is an interesting idiom in English. It doesn't involve water, despite what you might think. Instead, to splash out means to spend money freely or extravagantly. It's often used when someone spends more than they usually do, especially on something luxurious or enjoyable. Understanding where an idiom comes from can often help us remember it. The phrase, splash out, likely has its roots in the imagery of splashing liquid. In this case, picturing money being splashed out or spent freely, as if it's a liquid that can be easily dispersed. Let's see how this phrase can be used in real-life scenarios. 1. After receiving her bonus, Jenna decided to splash out on a new designer handbag. 2. For their anniversary, they splashed out on a luxurious vacation to the Maldives. 3. I don't usually splash out on expensive meals, but this restaurant is worth it. Notice how in each example, splash out is used to indicate spending more than usual, often for a special reason. There are similar phrases and idioms in English that convey the same meaning. For instance, spend lavishly, indulge, or treat oneself can be used in similar contexts. However, splash out adds a playful and vivid imagery to the action of spending. There you have it. Now you know all about the idiom, splash out. Remember, learning idioms not only helps you understand the language better but also makes you sound more like a native speaker. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.